How to upload Google files in a Google Drive. So first, open your drive. After opening your drive, please click new, then click folder upload or file upload. So kung folder upload, please click folder upload. Sample, videos, then click upload, then upload for file this site. So upload, click upload. So after clicking upload, so dito sa baba, uploading one item, so makikita niyo dito ang progress for the uploading of your Google Drive. So wait lang natin at after ma-upload. So yung uploading is pagdepende po ito sa internet connection natin. Okay, so after uploading one upload complete, so we need to click drive, then click check the files, which is videos. So ito na yung videos na in-upload natin. Okay, yun lang, and thank you.